Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your files and Blender settings. First, import the mesh and set object scale to 1. 0, this avoids UV distortion. Then, load base color, normal, roughness, metallic, and AO maps into the same folder so they're easy to reference. Enable Node Wrangler in Preferences so you can preview and combine textures quickly. Once done, create a new principled BSDF material and plug your base color map into base color. We'll wire the rest next. You now connect and correct each map with purpose. Place image texture nodes and set color space to non-color for normal, roughness, and metallic. This preserves values. Route the normal map through a normal map node and adjust strength to match detail, typically between 0, 5, and 1, 0. For roughness and metallic, use non-color textures directly into principled BSDF sockets. Once done, optionally multiply AO into base color to regain contact shadows. Tweak mix factor to taste so reflections read correctly. Finish by baking any missing maps and inspecting the result closely. You should bake at a resolution like 2048 or 4096 depending on output, and check the UV editor for seams and bleeding. Use margin and smart fill when baking to prevent edge artifacts. If textures look wrong, make sure object scale is applied and normals are consistent by recalculating outside. Re-export maps from the source if necessary. One key tip: if you see inverted lighting, flip the normal Y or rebake normals to correct orientation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.